Alright, in this video we're going to be doing some translations. Translations are just basically moving, well, we're going to think of it for now as moving a shape in the coordinate plane. And we have a rule here that tells us how that shape is moved. It tells us to take the x-coordinate of every shape, of every point, and to leave it the same. And the y-coordinate, we're going to subtract 4. When we add to the x-coordinate, it causes it to move to the right. When we subtract from the x-coordinate, it causes it to move to the left. When we add to the y-coordinate, it causes it to move up, the point to move up. And when we subtract from the y-coordinate, it causes the point to move down. So in this case here, the x-coordinate is staying the same, so it isn't going to move right or left. The y-coordinate is going to move down 4 spaces. So for example, point C here is going to go down 1, 2, 3, 4, and it's going to end up right on top of B. Point D is going to move down 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and it's going to end up right on top of E. And we're going to call this C prime and D prime. And then B is going to move down 1, 2, 3, 4, down to here. We're going to call that B prime. And then point E is going to move down 1, 2, 3, 4. We're going to call that E prime. And then now, although we've only moved 4 points, okay, the translation really is moving every point on any of these segments. So for example, whatever this point is right here, it moved down to right here. And whatever, say, this point is here, it moved down to right here. But we only have to actually map out where the 4 corner points go, and the rest of them kind of move along with those. Let's look at another example. Here, the rule tells us that to take the x-coordinate and subtract 5, and the y-coordinate and subtract 6. So that means that each point is going to move 5 spaces to the left and 6 spaces down. So Q goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And this will be Q prime. T goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to the left, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 down, and this will be T prime. S goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to the left, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 down, and that's S prime. And R goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to the left, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 down, and that's R prime. And then the rest of the points, all the in-between points, they just move along with the 4 corners. Let's do another example. Here, we're going to be moving, each point is going to move 4 spaces to the right and 5 spaces up. So let's see here. With U, we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We'll call this U prime. Now something to notice, since the transformation keeps the shape the same, we know that X prime is going to be in the same relative position, relative to U prime as X is from U. So X is 1, 2, 3, 4 spaces over from U. So X prime will be 1, 2, 3, 4 spaces over from U prime. And point W is 1, 2, 3, 4 spaces above X. So W prime will be 1, 2, 3, 4 spaces above X prime. And then let's see, V prime will be 2 spaces above U. Just connect them. There you go. Last one. We are going to subtract 1 from the x-coordinate and 1 from the y-coordinate. So each point is going to move back 1, down 1. So back and down. Y prime, back and down. Oh, U prime, back and down. T prime, back and down. R prime. And then, oh, just connect them to make that shape. All right, well, good luck with the rest of these.